Hello, welcome again to this channel kama kawaida. So today, in the next few weeks, I'll be focusing on something slightly different from cooking as usual. So I'm going to do how to detox at home. So all I need, without further ado, let's keep going. So all I need here is ginger. I'm going to need ginger. I'm gonna need beetroot. I chopped on the sides, so this is what I've used. And then I'm gonna need carrots. Of course. And then I'm going to use some spinach. These are spinach leaves. And then I'm going to use chia seeds. And lastly, I'm gonna use some yogurt. So this is it's what? Pear or pear caramel flavor is what I'm going to use. You can use any flavor, you can do plain, but because of sugar, I needed some sugar, so I picked on this one, or I could as well do vanilla or strawberry. Yeah, so in here, I've put some grated carrots, beetroot, and then there is ginger. So what I'm going to do is to add the spinach leaves, just a few leaves, not so many, just about 4 to 5 leaves is what I'm going to add in here. But before I do that, I'll trace them in hot water. Just to actually I'll just do cooking. Just the water was hot, but now it has gone down. It's not as hot as I expected, guys. So I'm just boiling the leaves. I'm meant to strip them in hot water. You can as well do raw, but I prefer either dipping them in hot water or just boiling for some few 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah. So apart from eating and away from eating, sometimes we do junk and all that. The body needs what? Needs some detox. You have to detox your body and boost your immune system. And actually, that's what I'm focusing on in the next few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. That's what I'll be focusing on. So in my next video, there will be a surprise. So don't move. Stay there. Let's do this together. So guys, as the boiling is going on in the meantime, I'll just go right away and start blending these ones. So actually, I put a half glass of water before I add in the yogurt. So actually, this blender is not as powerful as I thought. So what I'll do, I'll shift all the ingredients here and then I'll transfer them later on. So guys, this blender is not as strong as I thought. So what I've done, I've used the other part. Look, as you can see, I've used this one. So I've done the blending, but it's not as smooth as it should be. So I'll use a sieve, but I'll put all the content in here, and then I'll go in with spinach. You see? So I'll just I'll get the leaves. I'll get the leaves as I had said earlier on. I'll get the leaves and fix them in here. The spinach leaves. Those are the spinach leaves, guys. And then I'll add some water. Be able to add some water. Just get some, sorry. Just get some water. Some little water. Then, actually I can use this one over here. And then go ahead with the blending. So I'll just cover and continue, guys. It's gonna take a bit longer, but it's worth it. Just that the blender is not that strong. So I'm not confident. That's the spinach that I'm blending. Alright, guys. So as usual, so I'm going to sieve everything in here in this main blender. I don't know what is the right term to use, wherever, but I'm going to do the sieving of this liquid over here. So I'm going to add everything here. Remember, because of the strength of the blender, it can't be that smooth all the way. So I'm sieving because I don't like the roughness on the tongue. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sieving. So you sieve your juice until it's out, it comes out. So I'm doing a double sieve. Remember, I also blended spinach, which is this one. So I'm sieving it as well. I'll add it in there. So I want to make sure that I utilize everything as expected. I keep squeezing until all the juice is out. Like that. Okay. I'll just put the residue aside, or the remnants. So that's what I have. So at this point, I'm going to fix it over here. Going to fix it here. Then I'll go in with a tablespoon of teaspoon. Sorry, guys. Teaspoon of chia seeds. So I'll just do a teaspoon of chia seeds like that in there. Just 1 spoon is enough. 1 spoon is enough. And then at this point is when I'm going to come in with some sweetener to make my yogurt super, my smoothie super yummy. So I just go in with this and add in here. Sorry guys, splashing all over, but don't worry. We are in the kitchen. So I'll go in with the yogurt, then add Yeah, there we go. One more time. Remember, it's almost done because everything is ready. Almost done. And there we go. We are done, guys. We are done. We are done. So this is my smoothie for detoxing and boosting my immune system. You can as well do this at home. Guys, you can as well do this at home. Let's enjoy food. Let's have fun, but also let's remember to detox. You see? There goes my glass of smoothie for detoxing. Mmm. So yummy, so yummy, so yummy. Then you enjoy your glass of smoothie. Mmm. Very, 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 very yummy. Guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Let's detox. Let's walk this journey together. Even as we do cook, we do food, we eat healthy, and sometimes we break the rules. Let's remember to detox so that we maintain our health in a good state. And also, this is the best way of detoxing because I know when you remember about weight loss or losing belly fat, most people use lemon and coffee. But you know what? With someone, if in case you have acidity issues, then it will not work out for you. And so the best way is to avoid lemon as much as you can. And in this content, even if you are to find some level of acidity, then it's very minimal. That it's also bearable enough that cannot be harmful to your body. Inside here, we have some antioxidants and we have immune boosters. And that's why I came up with the mix. Please try it out and let me know in the comment section. Until next time when I'm doing my next video, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and watch to the end. Bye bye.